5:30. Matiu 11, verse 25:30. More sermon today, any number one sermon on one series, on 5 sermon. More text will all get the 5 sermon, any Matiu 11, 25:30. For today, any number one sermon. After on September or October, we present een narratieve sermon along this year. Alleen Matiu 11, verse 25:30. Now, long time ago, Jesus he prayed and said, Papa, you high God, your master long ook at something long heaven more long go. You meet al thank you long do, for me you high them or something ja long face long or man all wise, or man all school good. But you soemaotgud along all man, all your sense small picking in nomo. Only soemaotgud. Yes, Papa. Hem you want something where you want to. Now Jesus he go ahead, he tell him no man say, Ogeta, Papa blong me, he put him all get something long hand long me finish. Ni picanini blong hem. For he know what man where he save me. Papa blong me no more, he save me. For he know what man where he save Papa blong me. Me with them all man. The mimi choose him out or getter, or so him out hem long or getter. The fella no more is have him. And Jesus he told him say, you fella everyone, but you fella is a hard work too much. Or you fella is a kakara more heavy something. You fella he come on me. Now me bambae me take him out or heavy something yeah. You make him where you fella is felt good. You fella must put him yoke on me, on shoulder from your fella. From your fella he walk with me. From a mini one quiet man. What thinking from me is stop down. And your fella must learn from me. Now bambae your fella is have a fine and peace from life from your fella. Your fella must make him all sin. From a yoke ja, the me bambae me put him on your fella. Walk from him the easy no more. More something that bambae me give him on your fella. From your fella he carry him. Or he know heavy. And you now talk from God. And we pray small also. Papa God, we give him lonely fella, good for the talk from Matiu. Please givhan on me, long tell him out, good news ja, long good fella vast. En we clear, or money save. Look, Save, talk from me. They talk from you. The Papa God, please, give hand on man, thinking or hard from you. Okay, that we ready and receive and talk from you. So, join me, ask him. Look at something you have name Jesus Christ. For you ask him, I say the only thing. Amen. Title of the sermon. You'll send niet blong je felle man, maar je bitim maak. Niet blong je felle man, maar je bitim maak. Matiu 11, 28:30, you give hand on 20 man, the thinking will get it down. First a man you give a name, long vast jaar bij your sin. Talk from Master Jesus, they make a man harem good. You can plenty talk from Jesus too, where he make a man harem no good. So if you read him, verse where he come before, verse 20:24, talk ja, he make a man harem no good to us. From Jesus he talk strong against him or town, but he no turn, thinking going to get that. Even suppose he make a plenty miracle one place here, plenty teaching. The church from Christ. Die tokbaot will talk, on verse 28, of some talk where you make a money harm good. No one talk where you make a money go sleep. Or the talk where he started making you strong back again. Can you lose and power blong you, power blong thinking, power blong believe. Or the talk where he started giving you light from to dark blong you. Or the talk where he making you harm good, about future blong you. Can you down where you down. Or die talk where you soemaotgud, you meet good news from Master Jesus Christ. Or on 28 and he giving you an invitation, he on tak to mas. Never bambae manikassen, one invitation or send. Die fella, he comes from me. Jesus in town. Die fella, he comes from me. Any one invitation long, you tell everyone. Or give them long hand, or get a heavy long you. Even invitation long, receive him light long hand long to dark, long life from you. Or you saw the harm good back again, that future from you. Especially the peace from God, become long thinking from you. When you saw a spell good long hand, long peace, yeah. We important to us, but you will look save fasten not thinking for Master Jesus long time, and he give an invitation. The good you look long verse 25. Jesus he tell him say, now long time yeah, Jesus he pray, he tell him say, Papa, he tell him thank you long you. Talk yeah he come behind us before, but Jesus is so out, and he had him no good. Or a planty man, or he rejected him. Or he want him stop long to dark long I'll get to know. But now yeah spirit long him, he glad to us. And he glad long tell him out, talk long verse 28, verse 30. And he put him out hand long him, long yumi. And he glad long give him out invitation yeah. The thing I got man all about, in church too. But never, or he looks out very good. Invitation, yeah. What do you think about Jesus or some one man where, yeah, he could don't follow. Yeah, no follow him too much. Suppose one man long, company long will get or he call him name long Jesus, or he say small, or he no want to save too much. Long man, yeah. Mike, when you think about Jesus also one policeman. With Jesus, with their God, they could all get the power. And his son and he come, will correct him yumi. And they want him down yumi small, time yumi thing. High to mas long yumi. Or take him out all blood long life from yumi. In the New Testament he tell him strong, but you know what's saying. Jesus he no want him take him out blood from you. And you want to take him out all heavy way, he stuck on you. But you tell you remember the story from Jesus about one man where you look out on 60 on him. And he got 160. And now 160 he ran away. Allee. And he leave him 99, 60 from place where he's safe. And then he go and find him 60 on him. And then when he find him, and he glad to us. And he no cost from 60. And he glad. And he lifts him up 60 yeah. Put him on shoulder from him. Elkaar hem long house from him. And he glad bij hem iets aan hem maken. Or behind him he invite him or friend long him. Or neighbor. Or he make him on a fet from glad long him. And in that glad long Jesus. Dan he find him. One man. Where he lose. Will come on him. And he knows how to givhan good to you need, but fasten long Master Jesus. And when he talk long time yeah. And he glad to mas long think long him. The glad he fasten long him, the hemi from the hemi are very good, the yumi got big fella heavy. The yumi no got power from car. And number 1 point from yumi. bigfala heavy. Yumi, no paoa, blong. Invitation, ja, een special invitation. Waarmee je go long man, or is dat hard work too much. Of met al die karen ook het heavy something. Man als hem, Matiu remember the story, ja, woman Samaria, the story long Jesus, long wel, long Jacob. The story, ja, long John chapter 4. Every day and he go long well, long some water. All time, and one no more. Or not for the woman, or we go long one group, or we got friends. The time he needed water, the hem one no more, we go long well. All times. More pas een jaar, je reminded him, long heavy, long life, long hand. Pas een long life, long hand, and he no good. And he one woman long go, and he break all that a command from God. Or you make it a narrow for the money, no good story in the hand, and him one no more. No good friends. And now he look Jesus. Jesus he tells me, got water where he got life from him. He got water where he got life from him. En he zou geven van woman ja. Water ja, he zou mekem hem goed. The woman ja, he go long town from him or tell him. The whole man say, hey, you fella, he come. He got one money stop ja. The hem he tell him out from me. All get us something that me make. And we not fasten on Master Jesus. And he said, all get us something that you be making, that me be making. And he said, all get heavy that you carry. And he said, fasten that sometimes heavy out, close up and smash and you will flat them down with you. And now he give him one long yumi, one special invitation. But you no long yumi no more. The fella you look, and he tell him say, you fella everyone. You fella he come long me. Invitation, you include them all get a man. But two, even invitation, when you go out, we'll get them all these other plenty heavy, something stop long will get them. But for me you'll say, we try hard find one man. Or one rood blong givhan. Nu zei hij, want die man wel die armen nog goed en die want er bij some man die givhan nog get. Blong 7 nog get. Blong get trouble blong nog get. Ben je nog een naar man? Die Jesus no more. En hem je nou focus blong invitation blong Jesus. Een man, door die thing, or die door need Jesus. Never bambae manja, die haren invitation ja. Never bambae die samen van answer long invitation ja. Die one invitation will get up all die stop hard work too much. Or all die stop karen or heavy something. More suppose you read them over the book from New Testament, you find them where ministry from Jesus. He tell them about saying something different facet all time. Dat van naar de story. Jesus vertelt een panty story van parabol. Naar de story staat van Luke 18. En we tell him, he got two men. The two fella go on house from God. The two fella pray. One long two fella, yeah. He stand at him one. Pray and he tell him say, God, he me tell him thank you too much long you. Come you making me one man that is straight good. Of from me know all Semon naar van de man. 2 times long week, you leave him kakar, will make him worship. And we stop giving tithe, and we'll get us something when he casting. And we tell him, thank you for much long you. That you know making me or say manja, where you take a money from takis, where you stop from corner. We'll get it true. Yes, we think that Henny leaves in Kakai 2 times a week. More Henny gives him tithe, we won't get something when Henny cussing. When he knows him, man, and take the money from tax, nothing. Nou ja, je felly listen goed. Man don't take money from tax. And he prayed too from corner from him. He tell him say, God, mimi man no good. Please you sorry from me. Behind the fella leaving temple. Now Jesus he tell him say, God he take him out. Heavy from man don't take him money from tax. A Pharisee, and he put him down heavy from him small. En hij kan hem uit ogen te heavy from him. Kan hem die leaving temple. Heavy where sometime bambae je vat hem goed hem, logo hem die dead from. We gaan hier een story of Senja, dan staat een bigfala work from him, and thinking when we meet. Yumi of zijn plantimaan, waar we nou saben goed vasten, dan allemaal, wanneer is dat long life from Yumi? The Yumi, everyone, we saben we got some heavy, we stop long life from Yumi, someplace. And Yumi know saben good, vasten we God, die make him walk from him, long life from Yumi. Iemand woord kun je nou saben doen. Invisible. But sometime, might be quick time, might be long time. Bamba you look sad you got something from life from you but you know still. You got some kind of trouble. But God the leading you me from one place or time that you need look sad that you got one need. One need where you beat the man. One need where you mean no savvy fix him up. Long time, ja, maar je felly ask him one question, whenever you felly asked him before. How now? He zat ik haar een heavy ja. Or stop haar hem. One heavy, but sometimes you close up, long fucking good me. Master Jesus, where he said ook at something alongside long life from your family. And he said very good. But niet long your fella, he beat him man. You fella, who need, you got one heavy, when you fella, that you need no save car. Another fella something you'll send. Master Jesus, he said very straight good, one and now, he heavy long you need. And he save heavy long you need. And he number 2 point long you need. Master Jesus, he save straight good, one and now he or heavy long you need. One and now or something, well he save fat and good, you mean, or well he might push him down you mean. You think I got for something or same. For group or something we'll see. Maar Jesus die zou nou ook het along, maar wel het ook along him too. Maar je fel you know thing where someone will get you know apply along you. And we think it too where when you stop long life long you need everyone with some facet. Number 1, you got all heavy where you have long hard time where you need custom long life long you need. You got all heavy where you have from hard time, where you may custom long life long you need. You need one, you may carry plenty bigfala heavy. Even suppose plenty time, you may try some out, but you know also. Especially time you spend time with a friend on you, oh, you're right. From someone, family don't get that. You want bigfala heavy. Mighty man or woman on you, or pickaninny on you. Papa and mama blong you, or brother or sister blong you, even small boo blong you. Someone different, or you know got friends, nothing, only all time, you one no more. You got time or you put them on mass, the time you one no more back again, mass you go down. And all time you be trying making something, but you need no feeling, but you need one no more. Now if a man he knows how to run, or he must make him no future for market, too dark to mass. Life will get no good purpose. Will it go down no more? All time road will get it go down. Maar if a man back again will be fright from death. Maar if a man back again, he got heavy blong, don't need him make him plenty something all time. Never always have a spell. All time if a man you can ask him, oh you make him hemia, you please you make him hemia. Thinking blong, you long vast een jaar, you lose. Or Proverbs 18, verse 14 in Talent say, suppose you're sick big one, but you want them to mask long your life. 10 jaar long you bambae is have a hole you know this. But suppose 10 jaar you lose, bambae you dead, quick time no more. Suppose tomorrow too dark, you must make it. Suppose you trust him, my God. Even suppose tomorrow we die. Got one light, is stop signing long day too. Every culture and got different heavy long life, long family. Thing on van Matiu, where you fell stop 4 years now, and you look different something. Different some custom alongside long family. Might be heavy sometime. Pass them long a baby born. Pass them long circumcised. Or married, or dead. Plenty custom ways. He stop down. Ook er something yeah. Sometimes he heavy, he fatten down man too much. Het kan maar long get iets dead. Or givhan, or celebrate, or heavy something yeah. Easy to master and he can one heavy something. You walk in the country from New Zealand to Australia, you got different something you have to. Ask Jesus Christ. Be glad from listen time you want to tell him out or get a heavy long life from you. Ook at a worry. Ook at a something where you making you fright. And he's savvy ook at something about life from you before you die. Very good and he want him to tell him out or get a something there. And he tell him say, suppose or get a something there. You vat him down good you fell. The fella he come long me. Or he make him promise. The bambae he make him but your fella he spell good. Number 2 heavy. The plenty long yumi got. Or the Jesus die suffer by yumi got. You have a big fella heavy they all sin. Or hard work where you make him, but he know good enough. Maybe no good enough from thinking from you, he no good enough from thinking from another man. But all time, you, another man, oh, you must make him more good, you must make him more good back again. Maak je young fella, maak je old fella. Time you need look save, but you need no save make him something, will fasten. The yumi or another fellow money wants. Long time, yeah, yumi decided. Bambae yumi make it more good. But the bambae yumi stuff of Semon more good. Can't iemand nog buiten die karen heavy And he changed small. Matiu had a name from man John Bunyan. And he wrote in one book, the name from him Pilgrim's Progress. And he one story from one Christian man, and he find him out, and he got one heavy, long backside from him. Name from him Christian. Oh, place from him, city from him, name from him he town from disaster, city of destruction. And he tried hard on one way long time from where he was having one in time. He came to Mass, God he fought him down Oh, he got one man. They asked him from Christian, where's he come you? He come where? Might be surprised small with an answer from Christian. Because een heavy, ja, van je read Bible probably. because een heavy jaar van je read een Bijbelblong niet. Maar je moet zelf een ting ja. Dan God die kan long yumi, maar je moet reden, maar haren tok blong hen. Je moet look sin blong yumi. Je moet al hem zeggen, allee, maar niet nou make een sin je bakken gaan. Iemand small sin dan. But bambae, you make a walk on me more good tomorrow. Be strong enough. The time tomorrow you come. Will you try hard back again? Well, no making sin yet. You find them out where you can have you more. More, might you think, oh, Christian life is heavy too much. No good. Me out. Or might you stop, you hire no good all time. You can the story on history from church, where you saw them out, all about church, you got Christian, well he knows have a good meaning, don't talk you about Jesus. You mean man, you need to try hard, you let go, and heavy blong you mean. You mean not have a mekem. There's some time where you need go on high God, from asking him. The hem now is have to take him out, all heavy blong you mean. Well, high God, I got a glad blong mekem. My friend, you do no more by religion. Religion, you'll send one. Passen, go to church, making it be something the pastor you tell him, or the Bible you tell him. The belief from Jesus, you know half long hand good. And plenty man got religion. They know the plenty man where he's having Jesus don't put for a fast. Allee. Religion, sometimes he fat him good man. A plenty man while he look him talk here from Jesus, but he no read him good talk here. Jesus he no tell him. The fella he must put him yoke long me, long shoulder blong you fella. Now you fella he come long me, for bambae you find him gladhat long me. Or make him when he make him you start good. Him he tell him say, you fella he come long me. Dan je fella is hard work to us. Of je fella is op caramel heavy something. You fella he come long me. Or bambae me make him where you fella is so good. Now you fella is have a good yoke, blong me, long shoulder, blong you fella. But heavy blong you me, come long hard something, long life blong you me. But you come long get something, but you may try hard, long make him more good. Or you know givhan. So you may try make him long power blong yumi. For yumi no can come long Jesus fastaem, must spell long him. Look at something guy, stop fucking good, yumi. You fella, you must come long him fastaem. From him he said they come out all heavy, long you fella. Number 3 something. Number 3 heavy, he'll sin. The heavy long sin where he strong heads, where he stuck yet. You know, and you sin or sin? Might he want sin where you know want to let go on him, from where you liken him to us. More, from where he's small no more. He's small no more. Or might he want something where you think he knows sin, he knows wrong. Blong, Matiu 19, got story blong, young fella rich man. He come along Jesus, mooi ask him and say, teacher, you must make him man and nara fella good walk. For bambae me save custom life, yeah, where he knows how to finish. Toen fell he talk about the command from God. A rich man he tell him, me stap obey, long all get all from God. Me start him tell me pick no more. But Jesus he tell him, step no more. Now suppose you know but one something, nothing where you block him you from worshiping God. When you want him come straight good or get it. You go. You sell him out, all get something from you. Remember, man, you're rich to us. You go. You sell him out all better something long you. You take a money long hand. You go give him long or poor man. Well, you come. You behind long me, you man long me. And now, manja is sexy. Jesus, he just show him out long hand. Small heavy be him, he no suffer and he got. But one time no more, small heavy, yeah, become a big fella heavy. They make him hire no good to us. But now, when he looks up him, yes, me got van die man God long life long me. He wished to get something when he got. And he looks up at him, he no want to ask him, Jesus, forgive him sin, yeah. And he like him too much, or get something from him. Might he have a nice house. Might he party every week where you like him. And he not make him sin strong. And he like him or get something and he got too much. And he now wants sin where he stuck. And he go way along Jesus. Sorry, I stopped on boek van Matiu. Gewoon geest, ja, ik kan. Maar Jesus, he loved him. That man, he out. If he asked him God, don't take him out sin of sin. Sin will follow man, give man God. He stopped on life from you. Maar die, one small corner of life from you no more. One time, a young fella pastor, he go visit him one man, be close up long there. A man around Bible, or he sat there, he close up long there. A young fella pastor, he asked him one step question on him. One question is important to us. Where he could you ask him, you what now yet? The man he close up long there. How now relationship from you with an high God? The man he thought, oh, he's that no. A young fella pastor, and he looked eye blong man ja. Eye blong him, he saw him up there, and he full of fright. He knows that no more. Man ja, he knows how they possible asking God on carrying out all sin from him. Maar heavy ja, he flatten good him all time. Especially now ja. Then when he close up long dead. But even long time ja, and he strong head. And he knows, and he's saying to master on asking. Or even when he know but power nothing will make him. And he's strong to us. The bambae him he make it him one. Weet ja, wel heavy, flatten good thinking from him. Spirit from him he did. We talk about how heavy where you have from hard time with yumi, kassen from life from yumi. We talk about how heavy where look from hard work from yumi, where you know enough. Or heavy from sin where you stuck yet. The planty man he stuck there in one long tea heavy, mifala heavy. He got one another fella heavy yet, number 4. Number 4 heavy, he make him trouble on planty man who he'll sin. Or heavy on sin, but he's strong to mass on you. Heavy on sin, but he's strong to mass. From Rome chapter 6, Paul he talk about the hemistakaren and from English more, one body belong sin, where he all fell alive from him. Before him he started with God. There on another place, you may read in where God in Milan all fell alive from Paul, from cross, bed and Christ. Or vast een jaar Jesus he been making, that Paul is that come free from body jaar. And all fell alive from him. Allee, plant die man die walk buiten met een one body belong sin. One body with sin he stap long him. Body where he spiritually dead. Hem nou vast met een man long wall. We got member from church too, where we got something of sin. Only got one body blong sin. One sin but only no save let go long hen. They really mean it, only no want them let go. Might any something long life long you. Might you get a something where you long you. Or some rich man where you want to come straight good. Might you walk long you. Might even dream long you. From come high man long government or high man long one bigfala business. Or might you one sin. It's that deep long thinking long you. One secret sin. Where you hide them long one dark corner. From a no money must have a sin, yeah. Long New Zealand, we think long Vanuatu too. 20 times sin or semi in pornography, or drugs, or alcohol, or any something where you hold them thinking long you, where you must make it. Or you think, it's small number. We have control on him. Never is have become big one too much. Or midden lifelongly. More suppose we want to have a stop. Hey, Matiu, got something or sin. Suppose we tell him, no, you now, yeah. You must stop now. Suck him out. Break him fastaem blong you. Fastaem blong sin, yeah. We think, well, you know, but power blong making or sin. He drew no more than man Charles Wesley, he write along one hymn, long hymn. Hymn that you sing before, number 59. From verse 4, long hymn, yeah, he tell him, say, from time to mass, we make him in no state. Or stop, we stop from fasten ya, or Semon kalabus. We want prisoner from kalabus from sin. And we know good news nothing. The vast jaar continue met een goedvolle talk van good news from Jesus Christ. The Christ die come of some light, the him he run him out to dark lonely. He break him out of chain lonely. Now whom he free, we praise in him. Master Jesus, and he started fasten long heavy from you. How now he started givhan on you? And als men die goed jullie haar talk, the Bible will tell him from Isaiah 53. Forget the something where he start making yumi harem no good. Hem die karen everyone. Also body the hemi karen. Hem je also body from yumi. Bible will tell him say, dan hem go on cross. En die karen ook at the sin from yumi, from body from him. Listen back again. Dan hem go on cross. En ik ga ook het sin blong yumi, blong body blong hem. Dan Old Testament talk with Master Jesus, die kan hem say, hem bambae, you know that he making me strong to mass, blong a man but only no strong. Hem bambae, you know that he making me strong to mass. Long a man, the body no strong. And you not fasten on Master Jesus. Man, where you give him out invitation here. When you feel you must look for an invitation where you need him one answer. No put him on basket on you. But look on him sometime. You must give him answer. You feel you think about. Die goed to master suppose you tell you come long Jesus, with him ook at a heavy blong you, with him same blong you, with him ook at a something where you fasten you, or him on chain on sin blong you. With him ook at a something where you sort long him. Long bambae, and he making you fella, he spell good. Ik had van haar fella him, dat kwam die him. Een jaar, dat kwam verse where you tell him say, he no good but think from you, he making you wait. You know dream long power from you. Power now the hemi want him look. The power will save where you need him. My friend, My voice from ting blong you is strong, Matiu soft. But ting blong you felly tell him say, we need him Jesus. You know, could you felly tokbaot blong ask a mifala man blong givhan fastaem. You know God one mifala man, but he have him making the Master Jesus he have him making. Number one, something blong walk blong accepting invitation yeah, your sin. You felly must learn, must sabe that you felly got all need, the big one too much. Maar waar je felly, ik laat blong asken hem, blong taken heavy, blong faster, blong tired, waar je flatten goed yumi. Ik goed je asken hem, blong taken more heavy, blong sin, waar je judge him, yumi. Blong taken more heavy, blong ting blong yumi. You make him a ting blong yumi, sake. But ting blong yumi, half that from. Blong taken heavy, blong fasten, there will sin blong yumi, fasten yumi. Hem no more he got power. Blong break him power blong sin. More blong make him where you felly free. You felly glad blong come long him. You felly glad blong spell long him. You must come long him today. Like you tell him, oh, you come before. You must come back again. Every day back again. Me need him come back on him back today. This, we need him come before. We'll be making him or gladhat long him. And we need him making him more good today back again. All time long life from me, he must tell him, say, Master Jesus, please, you're making me good long you. So, my name is fella. Number you fella, you join with me, we'll make them all sin. To the gladhat long Jesus. Pray long me, but you fella, you glad, don't make it. Amen. Hi God, Master Jesus, may you save you long me fella. Ik zal tell him thank you long talk long do when you given to long Apostle Matiu. Good fella invitation from come long do. You said making me fella spell good. Please give hand on me fella today or tomorrow or every day of life on me fella. Don't think about invitation there. More come long you. I suppose one long me fella you know come yet. But Papa God, please give hand on him. Well, he think heavy long. Or get something yeah, but Jesus he come now. Or you lead him one yeah who come. A young fellow, old fellow picking. So may you tell him long. Ook at the man where you come. Where you glad and look and look at him. So God, ask him ook at the something yeah. May you want God where you hire him prayer more answer. In the name of Jesus Christ, that you ask him to save it on me. Amen.